Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up Android Auto in your Poco X6 Pro from Xiaomi. So to do separation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the more connectivity option and scroll down, and down here you're gonna see the Android Auto option and it uses apps on your vehicle screen. So click on it, and as you see from here you can connect a vehicle from here, of course by your cable or Bluetooth if you have a system to connect by Bluetooth in your car. And as you see, you can set up your start Android automatically. You can set up whatever you wish. You can start Android Auto while it's locked, it's enabled. You can start your music automatically enabled when it's blue. You can set up the taskbar widget from here. Yeah. You can set up the high Google detection if you wish to set up on your car. And you can set about the messaging. So every option from here when it's blue is enabled. When it's gray, you don't have for here show group conversation on your car. And you can drive seat location here, change layout if you wish. Yep. And that's it about the Android Auto. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!